over the weekend saw Kumasi Asante Kotoko deputy captain, which is Richmond Lamptey. And I say Richmond Lamptey, ne papa no eko so. Na ne papa no Kumasi Asante Kotoko eko chire dopa. As you can see on the screen, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, some of the players are meant me and make it to the match day squad for the game against Brekum Chelsea. Brekum no. The other players no join the IMC and some members of the technical team and omoko emane AFP, including some former players and some old management members na ekoye ekoboama bibia eko so fine ewo abrana Richmond Lamptey ma ne papa bye very last time ewo wiasefo atiasefo asase. So yes, so Richmond Lamptey news on that. Now say Richmond Lamptey has been declared fit to play, but once about 8 games or 7 games the Ombo Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Next game is against Team and Friend across of Foki Kumasi. Why declared to be played, but I'm not too sure so will be team starting and as own team starting. Obo ni be a chepa and Kotoko against has a technical decision based on Ogum training this week because no so obemana bobia na so mani bobia no emre enebetre. He's been out for quite some time now. Inti obi ntimi interest or obi tima bo na so obi ntimi mo. News on that me de bro quickly as in say ebeba na say me de bro ofia Eric Zeze Kotoko ne Brekum Chelsea game no onya knock na ofree mu na news amens aka chere say dey ni pra no na nye too serious. Understand say Monday obeye individual session training and omo assessing no likely say Kotoko and a class of full game ebeba so kwasi ada no he'll be available. Yes, and only news are mapeke about player friend Eric Sergi Zeze ni injury onyaya against Chelsea no. Now there's another news and also mama fama quickly answer na yako on Rashid Nortey, some Kumasi Asante Kotoko past administration managers near their supporters leadership no call saying Coach Ogum season be start here Oma Abranchi or the screen so more at least on the the season we or sign Kumasi Asante Kotoko 2023 January or sign 2.5 years into check here. I think Agabe 1 year be an answer 1.5 year papa into information.